going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we're coming to you from Laguna Beach. Let's do this walking tour. The old pirate tower here. Arr, matey. The pirate tower. Wow. So this beach here is called Victoria Beach. If you look way off in the distance, you can see some paragliders. All right, we made it up onto the road. We're gonna keep pushing north here from the Pirate Tower. That is a long hill down and up to get back onto Pacific Coast Highway, so just be aware of that. All right, so we've made it to Laguna Village, and now we're gonna walk down to downtown Laguna here. So this here is the Cliff Oceanfront Dining. Look at that, they got a gallery, all sorts of fun stuff there. And as you can see, the village has a lot going on for it. The beach we're actually walking to right now is going to be called, or it actually is called, Main Beach. There's just miles and miles of cliffs and beaches, one beach after another, all around Laguna Beach. In fact, let me show you guys this right here, because I think this is worth showing. And then I'll spring back out onto the road there, but look at this view. Oh my gosh. Tremendous. Let's just see what they got. All right, back out on the road again. These vines, loving life out here with these vines. So as you guys know, there's a lot of popular sitcoms and reality series out there like Real Housewives of Orange County, and they absolutely love Laguna. Look at that studio gallery, lots of art down here. It's approximately 4:53 at the end of February 27th. Population of Laguna Beach is only 25,000 people. It's not that big. It's just 25,000 super rich people. Look at that. Nice piece of art there. Wow. So crowded down here, huh? All right, now we're coming up onto the beach. All right here on the beach. go back out there and take a look at downtown.
Yeah, I don't fucking lie. I don't know what you're expecting. I tried telling you this. I know. I was saying, yeah, I don't expect anything.
Really packed, isn't it? Welcome to California. 39 million people.
Sorry, yeah.
Got the volleyball. Main beach. I'll just let the scenery do the talking. But you guys can crush up the like button if you guys are enjoying this video, and subscribe to Island Hopper TV if you enjoy videos like this. Check out some of our other videos like Oceanside, Carlsbad, Dana Point, or our other videos from across America. Plenty on this video or on this channel. It's just a whole great downtown area over here. See lots of downtown area, restaurants and all that. But I'm gonna keep going over here. Rules out here in California for wearing a mask are basically, if you're in crowded areas, you need to wear a mask if you're within 6 feet of people. So if you're not within 6 feet of people and it's not a densely populated area, you should be good, according to what I read online. But I don't know. I'm gonna walk down here past the tide pools along the beach.
Is that the DJI Osmo Mini?
Yeah, the Pocket. Let's see here. All right. Here we go. Let's give you guys a nice view looking backwards. about 5 p.m. right now. You can actually walk up there, which I'll try to do after I walk down here. Try to walk up this sea cliff. Keep showing you guys as much interesting stuff as possible. Some people look at me and they're like, hey, is he filming? Getting about that time to eat some food, that's for sure. I just want to show you guys what's around this cove here at Main Beach. Last time I was here it was high tide. Now it's clearly low tide. I think it's a full moon tonight, or close to it. So I think that's been affecting the tides. Oh. Let's see here, what do we got? Going around the bend. Got another beach. And another beach over here. But it doesn't look like there's any way up. So I'll push back up that hill here. Get up top there. There's a walking area right there. Try to get up there. Alright, so I just walk up that hill. Now we will go along the coastal trail. Nice restaurant up there. Beautiful sunsets. Look at that. Great restaurant there. Oh wow. Excuse me. Look at that. It's called the California Coastal Trail. Look at all of that vegetation, cactus and birds of paradise. Whew, look at that. Tide pools down there.
Yeah.
So are you guys going to subscribe to his channel? Such a beautiful town this is. It's actually like at least 5 miles, it seems like, just rolling hills of $1 million homes. There's a whale festival in March in Dana Point. I love their whales. Oh, so as it turns out, I could have just walked. Oh wow, look at this guy. This guy's back. With his, these guys are back. Paragliders. Man, sunset in Laguna. It's world renowned, isn't it? I get it. All right, let's go explore downtown a little bit more. So I figured this would be a good place to end this vlog. If you guys enjoy videos like this, please do give it a like and subscribe and watch some of our other videos from around California and America. See you guys.